Hey everyone, Jonathan and Molly here, and welcome back to Savoring the Magic, where we believe there is magic in the details.
That's right. So today we are taking a little detour from the parks, and we are down in Winter Haven. And yeah, we're just taking you guys along for the day. We're gonna be at some of the trails, aka we already at some of the trails. We're gonna show that off.
That's true.
And then we're also gonna hit the water ski show later. So come along with us on this excursion.
So we are here with our friend Jenny today because neither one of us know where we're going on
That's
these
right.
trails. So she is our official tour guide of the day.
That's right.
Circle B.
She's currently taking us through the magical walkway, as she called it. So through the woods.
Look how magical it is.
There's a path, there's a dirt path, but lots of greenery, lots of trees.
So here's a little bit of history about the Circle B Bar Reserve located here in Polk County, Florida. The land that is now Circle B Bar Reserve was originally part of a cattle ranch. In the early 2000s, conservation efforts aimed at protecting the region's natural habitats led to an acquisition of the land. Polk County and the Southwest Florida Water Management District partnered to purchase the property, ensuring its preservation and public access. In 2005, the Circle B Bar Reserve was officially established as a nature reserve. The aim was to restore and protect the natural ecosystems, particularly the wetland and upland habitats, that support a diverse range of wildlife. Extensive restoration projects were undertaken to revive the land's natural state. This included removing invasive plant species, reintroducing native vegetation, and restoring the wetland habitats. Circle B now serves as a site for ecological research and environmental education. It provides opportunities for scientists, students, and the general public to study and appreciate Florida's unique ecosystems. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this peaceful trip through natural Florida.
Hi everyone, Lady Cardinal here. Just letting you guys know we're at Circle B here in Florida. It's in the we have a sandhill crane that just landed on the
Oh,
side. Yeah. Sorry, we're seeing lots of nature around us. It's beautiful out here.
distraction.
Yeah, there's tons of distractions, tons of beauty, but if you guys are interested, there's a documentary that I'm filming right now. It's called Florida Land, and it's a documentary where nature meets humanity. And we're out here in nature today exploring, just kind of taking a look around, seeing some alligators and some birds and some wildlife and some plants and some trees and all kinds of really cool stuff. But yeah, come out here, explore nature, get on a trail, hike Florida, see the real thing.
So if you'd like to support Jenny's documentary, Florida Land, we'll put the link below and all the information about it. Check it out if you'd like. Editing Jonathan here. We never really filmed the transition point between the wildlife preserve and the ski show, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about that first. The Winter Haven Ski Show, originally known as the Cypress Gardens Water Ski Show, has a history that began in 1941 at Cypress Gardens, Florida's first theme park. Founded by Dick Pope Sr. and his wife Julia in 1936, Cypress Gardens became famous for its beautiful botanical gardens and water ski performances. The first water ski show drew significant attention, showcasing skilled performers who demonstrated various techniques and stunts, including pyramids, jumps, and barefoot skiing. During World War II, the park became a popular destination for soldiers on leave, which further boosted its popularity. Over the years, the shows gained international fame, establishing Cypress Gardens as the water ski capital of the world. In the latter half of the 20th century, competition from newer theme parks led to a steep decline in Cypress Gardens attendance, and as a result, the park faced multiple financial challenges. Despite efforts to modernize, it was closed and reopened several times throughout the years. And lastly, in 2010, Merlin Entertainment purchased the site and transformed it into Legoland, Florida. However, the legacy of the water ski show continues to this day through the Winter Haven Water Ski Team, which performs shows here in the area, preserving the spirit of those original performances. So thanks for joining us on this little different video as we explored the Circle B Ranch and the ski show. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. It really helps us out. We have videos coming out every week. But until next time, keep savoring the magic.